Today, we will be talking about Bernoulli's principle. But first, let us know what Bernoulli's principle tries to explain. Bernoulli's principle states that as the speed of a fluid, like air or water, increases, its pressure decreases, showing how energy is conserved within a moving fluid. It explains the balance between pressure energy and kinetic energy. When one rises, the other one falls. On the other hand, temperature measures the average motion or kinetic energy of particles in a substance, while heat is the transfer of energy from a hotter object to a colder one. Together, they describe how energy changes and moves. Bernoulli's principle in following fluids and temperature and heat in the motion and transfer of particles. And here are the examples of Bernoulli's principle.
Metal spoon in hot coffee. When a metal spoon is placed in hot coffee, heat energy moves from the hot coffee to the colder spoon through conduction. As the heat transfers, the spoon gradually becomes warm, showing how heat flows from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature one until both reach the same warmth.
Blowing between two hanging papers. According to Bernoulli's principle, the faster air between the papers lowers the pressure, causing them to move toward each other.
It shows Bernoulli's principle, where faster airflow over one side of the spinning ball creates lower pressure, causing the ball to move toward that side.
Did you know that it is possible to lift these foam balls without even touching it? How so? Within the plastic sheet, foam balls, and a hair dryer, or a mini fan that is strong enough to lift up those balls. First, let's fold this plastic sheet into a cylinder and place it on top of the container, then grab the mini fan and place it on top. And now, let's see what happens. The balls get lifted up. How is this possible? There appears to be decrease in pressure at one end of the pipe due to the high speed of the air. This causes the balls to be lifted to the other end, resulting in low and high pressure. The balls are lifted as air flows from high to low pressure. This activity is based on the concept of Bernoulli's principle, which states that increasing the speed of the air reduces the pressure in the stream. The higher the speed of the airflow, the lower the pressure in it. Do you know that Bernoulli's principle is discovered by Swiss scientist Daniel Bernoulli in the 18th century? It explains that in a steady flow of fluid, an increase in the speed of the fluid results in a decrease in its pressure or potential energy. In simpler terms, the faster a fluid moves, the lower its pressure becomes. And that ends our video. I hope you guys understand something about Bernoulli's principle and temperature and heat.
Ah, yes! Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing, 'cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I pray,